Hello everyone. In today's video I will show you some other utilities from Microsoft PowerToys. Basically these are mainly mouse utility tool. You can find this in input output section. You can see that input output mouse utilities. So there are mainly 4 utility tools available here. First one is find my mouse. This may not be the most useful one here, but it can be helpful if you want if you work with multiple monitor. Let's see how it works. I will enable it and you can see activation mode here. You can change it here, shake mouse, okay, or press left control twice, or you can define custom shortcut. Okay, let's see it in action. I will just press left control twice. You can see that. Let's try it again. You can see it will highlight your mouse. Okay, you can find your mouse easily. Okay, what you can do also, you can change the behavior appearance. You can define the background color, spotlight color, border radius, etc. Okay, and you can exclude some apps from here. Okay, after that another option is mouse highlighter. If you are a tutorial creator, or you want to create any kind of guide for someone and record it, you can use, or you are showing in a online workshop or anywhere, you can use this one. It's called mouse highlighter. Just turn it on and the activation shortcut is Windows Shift H. See what it will do. I click anywhere, it will show that where I clicked. You can see that. Okay, after that another one is mouse jump. It can be also helpful for you if you use very large screen monitor or multiple monitor. It will create a small area of your total monitor and you can click in that. Okay, let's say my cursor is here. Just turn it on. Let's say I am turning on mouse highlighter first. You can see I can click anywhere. Okay, now let's say I want to click in this advanced tab. Okay, I am here. What I can do, I scroll here and go to here. Okay, or what you can do, just turn it on and I will press Windows Shift D. See, it will create a small window of that one. Now if I click on this file advanced here, you can see it's clicked here. Okay, so you find your own use of this feature. It's called mouse jump, and you can define the thumbnail size also. Let's edit it. Let's make it 800 by 600. Okay, now let's try this again. See, this is now a very much smaller screen. Let's try it again, advanced, and it's click here. Okay, next one is mouse pointer crosshairs, and this will mainly highlight your mouse all the time with 2 crosshairs like this. Okay, turn it on, and shortcut, you can modify the shortcut here, and you can change the appearance and behavior also. It's all Windows Alt P. You can see the crosshair is available now. It will make your mouse very visible. If you are if you demonstrate some kind of software or anything in before or in front of large audience, this can be helpful. Okay, you can change the appearance and behavior also. Okay, so these are some utilities, mouse utilities basically from PowerToys. Okay, that's all for today. I will see you in next one. Bye.